guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I am waiting to go run. So I have like 30 minutes, and I'm gonna go in and do my thing.
Pull up to your city every time you want it. I ain't seen my mama since Saturday morning. Baby, cause you do it so.
Hi guys, how you guys doing? I'm good. The lighting here is so freaking good. Yeah. Anyways, you guys, the only reason why I'm whispering is because my housemates are around and I don't want them to hear me talking. But we're going hiking. It is cold outside. I'm gonna pack. I'm gonna go hiking with a hoodie. I'm gonna wear this, and if it like gets really cold, I'm gonna put my hoodie on. And then yeah, I have like oversized sweatpants. I'll show you guys properly. But I just wanted to, go hiking with a friend of mine. He's been on the channel before, so yeah. Anyways, that's all I wanted to say. Literally. Also, my skin is acting up so bad, you guys. It probably seems fine on the camera right now, but real life, I wanna cry. Like I genuinely wanna cry, but it is what it is, I guess. And I also need to do my hair. I still have the sew in. Need to do my hair because I'm leaving next week. I am going to Cleveland. I haven't been there like 2 years, so it's really excited. Anyways, bye.
A daily.
You ain't late though.
Are you complaining? Do I hear complaining?
I'm not complaining, but it was late, you guys. So that is the life
No, right.
with Bernard.
All
Hey,
right.
that's crazy. This man was telling me, but yeah, I woke up early and stuff like that.
Yo, I did
And then you got
actually.
here
Yo,
late.
I literally, I came to her house, I hooted outside, and then she didn't answer. Apparently, she doesn't wake up till 12. Apparently, but yeah, that's what I did.
I was ready like an hour before 12.
I was already
Because you said
since.
no, because you said you were gonna get there at 12. Every 6 p.m. 12, you're like, I'm gonna be there. 12, like, okay. It's fine. We had agreed on 12, by the way. I woke up early, and I was 9 or 10. That's early. Right now. Very early. And then someone decided that.
Hey, whatever, dog. It's fine. We're going. As long as we're going, it's fine. As long as we're going, it's fine.
Yes, why not?
You pay for my side. Nobody got it like you do. And nobody at me but you. I'm moving alone with a chill crew. And lately they fucking with you. I'm young and I stay by my old house. You know how I like it come through. With the world.
Hi guys, so today is I can't remember, but also don't mind the back. Anyways, so we're about to have something to eat. I cooked macaroni and tin fish. Yes, so now I'm about to have it. Also, if you have macaroni and tin fish without mayo, you're very weird. I know some people don't like they don't like tin fish, and I love it. But like the way I cook it and the way my mom cooks it, I know. Anyways, currently watching YouTube and having something to eat. Oh, it sounds so. This is how it's supposed to sound. Especially mac and cheese. The last time I had mac and cheese was when my grandmother cooked it, which was years ago. Like I'm not that obsessed with mac and cheese. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I am gonna hold you. I am gonna hold you, twin. But yeah, it was when my grandmother cooked it like years back. He used to bang, you, and but like with my grandma, he did. It wasn't just like mac and cheese. It was mac and cheese and mince, which it was lovely. I don't know, maybe in a kamala onion, but this is actually hot. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna see you on. Hi guys, so I'm going to campus fair right now. I'm so anxious. I haven't done my hair. Look at my hair. It looks crazy. And then TV. I mean, this dress that I made into a skirt with this yellow thingy and my white sandals and a bag. I'm just going to campus great. Like, do a few things. I'm so anxious, you guys. I don't like going. I think you guys barely see me go to like malls by myself. I'm not really going to a mall. I'm going to campus square. Campus square is not a mall. You can't go at a mall. It's sort of like a complex. But I get anxious every time I have to go anywhere by myself. And I can't really go with my friends. Because my friends live nowhere near me, so I have to flag it out. Or I asked to flag it out, like in a choice. Also, I want to order a crush out from KFC. So I don't know if I'm gonna commit to these because I feel like they'll just bring a lot of attention to me. But yeah, I want to order a crush out from KFC. Oh, I need it badly. But then yeah, we're just gonna go to campus pay, deposit some money, then come back. And then I'll buy the things that I need online because I don't know, I'm going to be getting paid. Yo, it's gonna give me stress. And I'm already stressed. So, but I might just go to save money. I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you.
Night driving, one look at you is inspiring me. After midnight driving, the way you leave me smiling. After midnight driving, I've been thinking about the story. After midnight driving, you're the one I'm adoring.
The post. I
Post.
I think a month ago.
Exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about.
Say hi, introduce yourself.
I'm Nosi's favorite person.
Yeah, true. No man.
Yours truly. I can have a total mood.
Yeah.
When the fella get in, no sit at a magic shop. I get sharp. I get sharp.
When we're alone with no one around, the vibe isn't nicest. When I'm with you, no matter the place, the sun shines the brightest. In every moment that we share, baby, it's priceless. I wouldn't leave, I wouldn't lie, not even the slightest. This is what it looks like. This is love in its purest form. This is what it feels like, yeah. This is what it sounds like. But this is way it gets complicated. Cause love alone ain't enough. Baby, I don't know. We need that faith, we need that.
Like a huge window there. Sando Bigalela.
Oh, hello. It's a magic.
Bigalela. Say hi. Nyaku YouTube ya Bigalela. Anyways, you guys, they're building a new house. What was that? Let's say hi to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, let us go. So since I'm the only adult around,
Bluetooth mode.
me and I'm going to accompany my cousins to go get the reports because apparently they can't get the reports without an adult there, and I'm the only adult that's around. Should I do glasses or no glasses? Ngwafika amanzi noma ngawafaki? Ngwafaki? This is my brother, y'all. Say hi.
Yeah, hi.
Okay, yeah, well, they don't trust my driving, so that's why he has to drive me. So, yeah. Hello. Okay. I gave the out guys. I beg you. About really. Babona. As about doing. Okay, we need just get that.
Oh, God.
Said they are totally about
Oh,
that.
this was funny. Come on,
When we're alone with no one around, the vibe is the nicest. When I'm with you, no matter the place, the sun shines so bright. In every moment